smile, they don't know the pain. They see the glory, they don't know the rain. Every testimony came with tears, but you stayed close all those years. When I was weak, you were strong. When I was lost, you led me on. Now I stand bold, I testify. If not for God, where would I be tonight? Where would I be tonight? Where would I be tonight? Now God did honor.
Now Him get the final say.
When man say finish,
Jehovah still dey make a way.
now God did honor.
From beginning to the end.
I know they.
This is so funny. I believe you really enjoyed this video. Now let me show you how to create these viral baby dancing videos with AI. All the AI tools that I use to create this viral baby dancing video is completely free. When I say free, it's free. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just some few minutes. And so if you're planning to go into faceless niche, you can also consider going to this baby dancing video niche, and your videos are going to go viral very soon. So let me show you how I use AI to create this type of videos. So the first thing you need is your character, a baby character. You don't want to just imagine anything or create our own character different from what is already trending. So what we're going to do is to go to TikTok. That's the first thing we need to do. Go to the search and type dancing babies AI. You're going to see a lot of AI baby videos dancing. Go through it and choose the one that you like. So I'm going to go with this one. So immediately you tap on the video you want to use, screenshot the image. Okay, so you just screenshot it like this and save it on your phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to recreate this image. Okay, so we are not going to use the same image we are seeing here. We are going to recreate it using ChatGPT. So open to ChatGPT and then come to the prompt box here where we have Ask ChatGPT. Click on the plus sign by 8 like this to import the image you just screenshot from TikTok. Okay, so we're going to click on photos like this and then import the image. So this is the image, one of the images I screenshot. Click on done, then add your prompt. So what we want right now is for ChatGPT to give us a prompt to create this image. So this is a prompt I'm going to attach to this image. Give me 3 prompts to generate this image in 3 variations. You can add more than 3 if you want, but I want just 3 variations. I'm going to hit on the command button for ChatGPT to analyze the image first and then give me prompt to generate this type of baby images. Okay, all right, so we have our 3 prompts ready. The next thing you are going to do is to start generating our images or our character. So what you're going to do is to copy the prompt. I'm going to copy this one, and then before I enter it in ChatGPT, I'm going to add generate. So what I did was to add generate to the prompt ChatGPT provided for me, and I'm going to hit on the generate button for ChatGPT to generate the image here for us. Now I'm going to leave all the prompts I'm using in this particular video in the description section or the pinned comment section of this video, so you don't have anything to worry about. Just make sure you watch the video to the end to understand how I created this viral baby dancing videos. Wow, ChatGPT has given me 2 options, asking me which of the images do I like. Let's zoom the first one and see. So help me choose the image, help me choose our character. So I think the second one looks so cheerful, and the first one too looks so cheerful, so I don't even know which one we should choose. Now most of these videos are on either YouTube Short or TikTok, so if you want to create it, then the best is to use the 9:16 aspect ratio, not the 16:9 aspect ratio. So you can see our images in the landscape instead of portrait. So what you are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to change it into a portrait image for us. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit on the command button. All right, so you can see ChatGPT has changed the aspect ratio to 9:16, and this is exactly what we want because most of these videos are going viral either on Shorts or on TikTok and also on Facebook and Reels. So if you are creating this video for either Shorts or TikTok, then you have to make sure you go with the aspect ratio or the right aspect ratio. Now we are going to generate the second image. Okay, so using the second prompt. So this is the second prompt. You're going to copy it again like this. We are going to change the aspect ratio. Since ChatGPT gave us 16:9, we are going to write generate first and then add the prompt ChatGPT provided for us here like this, and then change the aspect ratio here to 9:16. Okay, so let's see if there's something that we want to add after we hit on the command button. So this is the second image ChatGPT has provided. If you don't want your image to look exactly like the reference image, you can ask ChatGPT to do some few changes to it. So because I don't want my image to look exactly like the reference image, I'm asking ChatGPT to change the hairstyle and the dress style. Let's see what we are going to get. Alright, so you can see ChatGPT has changed the hairstyle and the dress style, and I like it. I love it. Okay, so if you are using a reference image, you can also add your own flair to it or your own creativity to make your own a little bit different from what is already trending. Okay, we don't want to be far away from what is already trending, but at least you should also have something unique about your own character. Okay, so that's exactly what we have done. Now the next thing we need is our reference dancing character that we want our baby to implicate or copy. Now to get this, we are going to go to TikTok. So open to TikTok and search for your favorite artist. So in this video, I'm going to use Afronita as my reference character. So I'm going to type Afronita here. So I'm going to scroll through it and look for one of the individual videos, not the group videos. Okay, now you also have to get a video that she is looking straight into the camera. Okay, so let's go through it and then select one of her videos. Now if you get your reference video, the next thing you need to do is to download it. So to download it, click on the arrow sign here down here like this and click on the download button to download the video to your device. So our video has finished downloading. The next thing we are going to do is to import it into the next AI tool for our baby to replicate. So to do this, we will need Clink AI. So install Clink AI on your phone if you have not done that. So this is a Clink AI app. So if you have not used Clink AI before, sign in with your Gmail account. Now when you open Clink AI, this is how the interface looks like. Click on AI video like this. Now when you click on the AI video, you're going to see 3 categories here. We have text to video, frames, and motion control. Click on motion control like this, and then come to this section where we have the upload only JPG or PNG images. Click on it like this and select the location where you have your image saved, the image you use ChatGPT to generate. So I'm going to click on camera roll like this and select my image. I think when we finish generating our images from ChatGPT, we did not save it on our phone. So we are going to go back to ChatGPT and do the needful. So let's go back to ChatGPT and download all the images first. Go to my images. I'm going to select this one and then click on save and save it on my phone. I'm going to do the same thing to the second image. I'm going to hit on the save button like this and save it. Okay, so now we have our character saved on our phone. So now let's go back to Clink AI and then click on the motion control, then tap in the first box and select your location where you have your image saved. So I'm going to use this image as my main character. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the second section where we have add motion video. Tap on the box like this and select the video you copied or you downloaded from TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to use this video. I'm going to use this video and click on the done button to import it to Clink AI. So Clink said the video must be less than 30 seconds. So let's see what we can do about this video. Okay, so what we're going to do is to trim the video before we upload it here. Then I'm going to tap on the video. This is the video I want to use. I'm going to hit on the edit button and then trim this video. Okay, so I've trimmed the video to 29 seconds. So what I'm going to do is to hit on the save button to save the changes before I import it to Clink AI. Alright, so our video has been saved. Let's go back to Clink AI again and select the video. So there's a video. We're going to hit on the select button. So this is a prompt I'm attaching to this video before I generate. Now I'll be leaving the prompt in the description section and also the pinned comment section of this video. Copy it and then use it to create your own. Now this is a prompt. The character in the uploaded image should accurately replicate the same movement, facial expressions and action sequence shown in the reference video. Now when you're done, you hit on the generate button to generate your video. Now before you hit on the generate button, make sure you have selected the right motion video. So you can see we have motion 1, motion 2 here. We are using the motion 1. Anytime you select the motion, you see a green line around your motion. Okay, so you see motion 3, when I tap on it has changed, and the longer the video, the more credit it takes. Now when you finish selecting your motion and also attaching your prompt, you can hit on the generate button down here to generate your animation. If you're on the free version, it's going to take time for it to generate for you, but if you are on the pro version, within some few minutes it will be generated for you. So if you're planning to take this thing to the next level, then you need to invest in it so that you can be able to create your videos fast and also efficiently. Now you can see because you're on the free version, it's going to take 3 hours. That's it. So to download your video, open to the Click AI app again and come to the section where we have asset. Click on the asset button and click on your video clip you have generated. This after 3 hours of waiting. Okay, now click on the download button down here and click on video to download the video to your device. Now this is the video we have generated. We can also confirm from the reference video to see if that's the same thing we have generated. Okay, so that's the same thing. You can see that's the same moves our character has copied. Alright, so this is what we have been able to generate. I hope you like it. Yes, this is what we generated. Instead of me to use the TikTok sound or the trendy sound to it, I decided to use my own sound because of copyright. So what I did was to ask ChatGPT to generate the lyrics of a trendy sound that I can attach to my dancing video or baby video. And ChatGPT gave me this prompt or this lyrics. I copied it, paste it in Sono AI, and I used Sono AI to generate the music sound, and that is what I attached to this dancing video. Now if you intend to upload this video on TikTok or short, then you can attach the trendy sound on the platform to it in order for your video to also trend. Now what do you think about starting a baby dancing video channel? Let me know that in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up by liking this video. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that yet. Now let me know the kind of video you want me to make next on this channel. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now God there on
Now him get the final say.
when man say finish.
Jehovah still dey make a way.
Now God there on
From beginning to the end.
I know they fear tomorrow.
My life there for you.
Now God there on
Now him get the final say.
when man say finish.
Jehovah still dey make a way.
Now God there on
From beginning to the end.
I know they fear tomorrow.
My life there for you.
Yeah, my life there for you. My Lord there for you. They see my smile, they don't know the pain. They see the glory, they don't know the rain. Every testimony came with tears, but you stayed close all those years. When I was weak, you were strong. When I was lost, you led me on. Now I stand bold, I testify. If not for God, where would I be tonight? Where would I be tonight? Where would I be tonight? Now God there on
Now him get the final say.
when man say finish.
Jehovah still dey make a way.
Now God there on
From beginning to the end.
I know they fear tomorrow.
My life there for fun.
Now God there on
Now him get the final say.
when man say finish.
Jehovah still dey make a way.
Now God there on
From beginning to the end.
I know they fear tomorrow.
My life there for you.
Oluwa, you never fail. You know they sleep, you know they change. Even when my faith was small, your love still cover all. What God cannot do, you know they exist. No, no. What God cannot change, you know they exist.